feelings are beautiful. Even life's gonna be so easy.
What happened?
He does not like me.
And he still gave those useless reasons he gave me this morning.
He's even the one that even dropped me at your gate and he left.
Paul came to this house and he did not come inside.
No, he came. He's very angry. Very, 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 very angry. He even gave me money for settlement. I told him, God forbid, do that. I don't want his money. That it is love that I want.
This is serious. What is wrong with Paul? What is wrong with him? Eh?
Maybe we are not meant to be.
And of all times to drop you off, it is this night.
Shebi is his house now. It's his house, so he have right to do whatever he likes to do. That's why he now asks me to leave by this time. It's not fair. It's not fair.
It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Bring your bag. Let's go inside. Okay?
It's gonna be so easy. Without sticky feelings from inside. Everything is gonna be alright. Have you been in love before?
This is the most inhumane thing you have ever done, and I will not take it from you.
What is it now? At least I tried. I was gentleman enough to drive all the way to your house and dropped that girl right at your entrance.
Really?
Yes.
If she was your sister, would you have let her leave by that time of the night? No,
let's talk about something else.
There's actually nothing else for us to talk about.
And then let's go to work.
And what makes you think I am going to work with you?
What is the problem, really? It's not like you're related to the lady in question. What is it?
But she's a lady. And you don't treat a lady like that. No matter what. She deserves more respect. Even if you don't want to marry her, at least give her respect. That is my problem.
I see. Well, I'm sorry about that if it upsets you. I'm sorry.
That apology should be directed to her, not me. And you know it.
Come on now. Are you by chance suggesting that I would have to go apologize to her? Oh, come on, stop it now. You know it's not going to happen.
Of course, that is what I am suggesting. Because that is the right thing to do. But I know you very well. I know you will not do it. And that is your greatest undoing.
You are beginning to take this matter personal. And I don't like it.
You know your problem?
What?
Pride. You have so much pride. And if care is not taken, it is going to cause you a lot of damage. Trust me.
Are you done?
No.
Oh yes, you're done.
Enough time and the promise to never to break your heart. That is a promise from my heart. From the deepest part of my heart, I give you these words of my heart. That I die to love and respect you.
Oh my darling, how do I look? Girl, come on. Everything is giving.
Oh,
it's
really?
Everything is giving back. I can see you're really enjoying your life. You're literally all around town catching cruise and having fun.
My darling, what did they say again? All works and no play makes Chineye a dull girl.
Indeed. So where are you off to?
Oh well, I have a date.
You do?
With a form. What is that face?
Chinenye. What exactly will it take for you to realize that guy is not good for you? He is toying with you. He does not love you. All he's doing is extort you. That's what he's doing. He does not love you. He is not the guy for you.
Okay, Enki, please. We have been over this before. Listen, I don't know why you're still having this discussion. I don't want it. Please.
Enki.
What?
You're my friend. I am your friend. And I love you. Which is why I am telling you the truth. Chinenye, all that guy is doing is to extort you. He's extorting you. What will it take for you to realize it?
You just bring your voice down. We have been over this a million times. Girl, I am not changing my mind anytime soon. I will not stop seeing Ofoma. So please, drop this, okay?
Really?
Yes.
He's going to hurt you and break your heart with no mercy.
Oh, really?
Yes.
My darling, we have been through this a million times. Take a good look at me. Does it look like I care? Babes, I don't. I am not going to be with Paul. That's final.
Really?
Yes.
You don't care? You will learn to care when he finally shows you his true color, which I can glaringly see already. Oh yes, he will.
My little pumpkin, you bother your little head too much. You know what? Let us wait till that time. But trust me, darling, it is going to be an endless wait.
Really?
Yes.
You think so? Girl, don't be too sure because the Ofoma I know can come up with anything at any time.
Oh, well, let's wait till then, darling. I said that earlier.
Okay.
Please.
Anyway, are you coming back today though?
Does it look like I am not coming back today?
Oh my goodness, Chinenye, I asked a simple question. Answer with a straight answer.
I just give you a simple answer. See you later in the evening, baby.
See your small mouth.
Ah, baby, you see this mouth? See you later, girl.
Take care of yourself. She never listens.
Enough time and the promise to never to break your heart. That is a promise from my heart. From the deepest part of my heart, I give you these words.
Hey, man. Okay. What's up?
Come on.
Hey, what's up, okay?
Come on, man. You don't look yourself. What is it?
You are not going to believe who I saw today.
Who?
Chinenye.
Ah. Is that why you're like this?
You'll not understand, so it's fine.
I know I want to understand, so why not explain to me?
It's alright, not today. Some other time, let's just get right into why you're here. What's up?
There's this property for sale,
Okay.
and I am certain you like it.
What are we looking at?
Land, heavy duty machines, residential buildings, and a bar.
A bar? That one caught my attention. I've always wanted to own a bar in this town. Where frustrated men like you and I can sit out in the evenings after work and just let out steam. Okay, sounds good to me. Yeah, we can do it. But so, how do I see this property? What does it entail? What do I need to do?
Okay, I think we will go check it out so you see if it's up to your standard. Then make payments. It's yours.
So can we do that this weekend?
Alright. Alright, in that case, this weekend then.
No, this weekend. This weekend is fine. This weekend is fine.
Enough time and the promise to never to break your heart. That is a promise from my heart. From the deepest part of...
Do you know my problem with you is that you don't know how to cut your coat according to your cloth.
Is that an insult or what?
It is not an insult. I didn't insult you. I only told you the truth.
What's to be truth? Have you ever seen me with a coat? So why are you talking about coat?
I don't mean coats as in a dress. What I'm saying is that The girl you are working so hard to get into your bed, she's way above you.
You are a fool to tell me that. This is why I said that jealousy will kill you one day.
Me, Darlington, jealous of you. For what?
The girl you said is above me was actually the one that asked me out.
Wait. Can you hear yourself? Who are you? Ofoma, who are you? What do you have? What exactly do you have that a babe like Chineye will come for you?
Darlington, there is no need joining issues with you. Chineye saw me as a big boy and asked me out. And we have been together. There is nothing you can do about it.
Wait, I really need to understand this. Chineye is in love with you.
Of course. And I can assure you here that I'm going to finish her with love.
So what happens to Amara that you've been deceiving?
My guy, if we look it closely, Amara may be the one deceiving me. But I'm going to be with my Chineye soon. So I don't need any distraction.
You mean Chineye is coming here?
No, I'm going to meet her where she's waiting for me. So drink up.
My man.
You're not drinking your wine?
Not in the mood for drinks right now.
Really?
It's of course, you know, it's been
You have a lot of your mind?
Of course, I know. I have a lot on my mind. It's not been... last couple of days, it's not been easy with me. You know, I've just had a lot on my mind.
Then spill it out.
I don't mean to bore you, but you already know what my troubles are.
Well, I am not a magician. There's no way I'm going to know what is troubling you unless you tell me. What is it?
I still miss Chineye. Yes.
Go and talk to her.
She won't even talk to me. She won't even let me get close. That's the problem. She won't take my calls. She would see me. She would not talk to me.
I don't know why you're finding it so difficult, to express how you feel to her. But what do you want me to do?
And of course, you know that this is where you come in. She likes you a lot, and she has a lot of respect for you. You know, if you could help, again, talk to her, please.
Well, I've always wanted you to get married, settle down, and enjoy the forever after everything. So, that will not be a problem. I will help you again. I'm going to talk to her. I'm going to do everything in my power to make her come back to you and for you to marry her.
You know that's a promise.
Yes, it's a promise.
Oh boy, I'd appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. It would mean a lot to me, really. Thank you.
You feel better now?
I don't know, but I feel lighter.
Okay, don't worry. So I have food in the kitchen. If you don't mind me dishing you a plate.
I don't mind at all, please.
All right.
At least now I have appetite. I've got some appetite now.
enough time and a promise to never to break your heart. That is a promise from my heart. From the deepest part of my heart, I give you these words from my heart. That I die to love and respect you with all of my life here. Everything is gonna be so beautiful. Life itself is gonna be so easy. With those take good feelings from inside. Everything is gonna be alright. Have you been in love before? Yeah. Not just any love, but true love. Yeah. The feelings are beautiful. Even life's gonna be so easy. With those take good feelings from inside. Everything is gonna be alright. Yeah. Present you with true love. Undiluted feelings from the inside. And to stand with you till the end of time. And a promise to never to break your heart. That is a promise from my heart. From the deepest part of my heart, I give you these words.
Sweetheart.
Baby, welcome.
Thank you, darling.
You look so hungry.
I am famished. As I speak to you, I'm empty.
You're always hungry. This is your big tummy. Okay, let me go and dish out your food.
No, it's alright. Don't worry. Let me first of all shower. At least freshen up.
Okay. Baby, yes. How is Paul getting along with the girl Clara introduced to him?
She's gone, my dear. Gone.
How? What happened?
My dear, you see, the story is a very long one. Long.
Well, that means I asked at the right time. You know my friend Hope? Hope now, the one I told you traveled to the UK.
Yes, Hope. I remember.
She's back into Nigeria. And based on the little that I've known about Paul, I think Paul would accept her and love to marry her. Yeah.
Well, Hope is not a bad girl. She is a good girl, actually. And for her standard, I think she'll really make a good match for Paul.
Yes.
Sweetheart, the question is, will Paul accept to marry her?
Baby.
That's it.
Let's just give it a try. We never can tell.
Okay, in that case, then, bring her in.
I should call her.
Call her.
Okay? Right away, I will call her and she will come immediately.
Okay, let me get upstairs and freshen up.
Okay.
Right? And don't forget about the food.
Yes, where's my phone?
What do you think?
Where's my phone? I think I left it in the kitchen.
Don't forget the food.
Okay.
There is a promise from my heart. From the deepest part of my heart, I give you these words from my heart. That I die to love and respect you with all of my life here. Everything is gonna be so beautiful. Life itself is gonna be so easy. With those take good feelings from inside. Everything is gonna be alright. Have you been in love before? Yeah. Not just any love, but true love. Yeah. The feelings are beautiful. Even life's gonna be so easy. With those take good feelings from inside. Everything is gonna be alright. Yeah.
Former. Guy! My guy, wetin you dey use your mouth dey do? Eh? I know the right button to touch at any given time to get what I want to. My brother, you dey try. You dey try, abeg.
To love and respect you with all of my life, yeah.
Hi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
My name is Clarion. I'm Chinanye's friend.
Oh, okay.
Is she around?
No, she's not. She went out.
Oh. Okay, when she comes back, just tell her that I came.
Oh, okay, fine. But why don't you just call her line?
I didn't want to let her know I was coming, but now that she's not around, I'll call her once I step out of here.
It's okay.
All right.
Have a nice day.
You too.
On my knees and I'm begging, please don't turn your face away from me. Please allow me to amend all my mistakes. I know I treat you bad, I know I made you cry, I know I said a lot of things I shouldn't have said. Now I am down on my knees, begging you to give me a second chance. All from you is a second chance. All I'm begging you is to let me to try again. All from you. Please, if you let me, then I will write on my own.
What was I thinking when I let her go? The vacuum she left is yet to be filled in my heart. Ever since she left, I have not been complete as a man. But the question is, would she even accept me? If I tried to win her back, would she ever love me again? I have messed up big time, and I pray that God gives me one more chance with the love of my life. Where do I begin to apologize to her? How am I going to make her forget everything that I did? This is indeed a high mountain to climb.
Baby, I'm a changed man now. All I need is a second chance, a second chance to make everything right again. I know I treat you bad, I know I made you cry, I know I said a lot of things I shouldn't have said. Now I am down on my knees, begging you to give me a second chance. From you, it's a second chance. All I'm begging you is to let me to try again.
Hello, Nenye. How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I'm okay. I am at your house and you're not around.
Yes, I went out, but I'm on my way home now.
Oh, okay. Naya, can you please come to my house?
Why?
I just want us to talk.
Clarion, if you want to talk about Paul, I am not coming.
Can you just hear me out for the last time?
Listen, Lady Clarion, I have so much respect for you. If not, I wouldn't have picked up the school in the first place, owing to what happened in your place the last time you invited me.
And I am asking you to give me that respect again. Just come over, okay?
I will, provided Paul will not be in your house.
This meeting is just between you and I. No third party involved.
Alright, I'll come.
Thank you.
Present you with true love, undiluted feelings from the inside, and to stand with you till the end of time, and the promise to never to break your heart. That is a promise from my heart. From the deepest part of my heart, I give you these words from my heart, that I die to love and respect.
I hope you're okay.
Of course I am.
Hey.
Easy.
Have you forgotten I'm a strong woman? Please.
I know that. So, tell me about the guy.
I think what we should talk about first is if you're interested.
Sure I am, provided he meets to my standard.
Of course he will.
Then let's do this. Let's do it.
Okay. What do you want to know about him?
Tell me where he's from, what he does for a living, and his objectives in life.
He's a Nigerian from the eastern part of the country. Enugu, to be precise.
Okay.
He works for Ayaka Group of Company as an auditor.
That means he's a chartered accountant?
Oh, yes, he is.
So what is Ayaka Group of Companies into?
Ayaka Group of Companies is an auditing firm whose duty is to provide accountants, auditors for companies, not just in Nigeria, worldwide.
He must be an intelligent man.
Of course he is. You would like him. Sorry, you would love him. Don't worry.
I'm beginning to like him already. I can't wait.
Don't worry. My husband will take care of everything.
Okay. Let's do this.
Hope the drink is okay.
Very okay.
End of time, and the promise to never to break your heart. That is a promise from my heart. From the deepest part of my heart, I give you this.
So, did she give you the money?
She said tomorrow.
Hope she's not playing you.
Oh, no. Chinenye is not like that.
Afoma, how sure are you?
100%.
So, like, how much are we looking at?
250k.
250k. It be like this lady get money.
Chinenye is rich. Very rich.
Now him be say, as she get money like this, we go suck and drive.
That's the intention. By the time we are done with her, let's be going, my dear. By the time that I'm done with Chinenye,
oh my God.
me, I will make sure.
Time, and the promise to never to break your heart. That is a promise from my heart. From the deepest part of my heart, I give you these words from my heart.
First of all, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for even agreeing to come for this discussion.
Like I said over the phone, I'm here because of the love and respect I have for you.
I know. And I will never take it for granted. Thank you. I really appreciate you. Okay, so I want to know what actually transpired between you and Paul, because you never told me.
The ugly experience I had with Paul is not something I want to talk about. It's in the past. I don't even want to think about it.
He hurt you that much?
Hurt. That man brutalized me. He demoralized me.
It's okay. You don't have to go any further. I mean, From your body language and your reactions, I can see he dealt with you and he left a sour taste in your mouth.
Exactly the reason I don't want to talk about it.
Can I ask you something?
It's okay. Go ahead.
When you were with Paul, did you love him?
Did I love Paul? Paul was my life. He was everything and anything to me. I worshipped everything he did.
I see. And that brings me to the reason I called for this discussion. See, one way to show love is by letting go. And if it comes back, then you know it's meant to be.
I completely disagree with that postulation.
No, but that is the truth. Because no matter how far it goes, if it is meant for you, it must surely find its way back to you.
If you talk...
End of time and the promise to never to break your heart. That is a promise from my heart. From the deepest part of my heart, I give you these words in my heart. To love and respect you with all of my life here.
Babe.
He didn't go out anymore.
They've not called. I'm still expecting their call.
Really? But are you sure they'll still call you?
I don't know for them. It's all about business.
Well, I really do pray they call because I don't want you to miss this money. You deserve it.
Babe. You see, at this point in this business, I no longer look for buyers. If they fail to buy, some of that person will actually buy it. So don't bother yourself, okay?
I like the sound of that. Literally, your confidence in this business is growing by the day. It's nice to see.
Yes, that is because I sell something that they need to make their homes beautiful.
That's what I'm talking about. Confidence!
Thank you.
Speaking of which, you will not believe who I saw down the streets.
No.
A former. For leaking with a girl by the cool corners of the road. Can you imagine?
Okay, now, are you saying you saw a former and our friend Chinenye frolicking along the road or what?
My darling, fortunately or unfortunately, it was not our girl. It was another girl entirely. Oh yes.
Are you serious? That means that boy is actually cheating on our friend.
Is that news? Of course we all know he is cheating on her. But the real problem is, will Chinenye see it? Because she's not ready to believe anything that contradicts what she believes about the guy.
Hey.
Gosh, I hate that guy. I detest him.
I think we must find a way to make Chinenye really see who that guy is.
What way is there to do it when she's not ready to listen? Or even see the glaring facts?
On my knees and I'm begging, please don't turn your face away from me. Please allow me to.
This is what I call force majeure. The act of God.
No, it is not. You promised you weren't going to tell him I was coming here. What happened?
This is not my making, trust me.
Who's making? How did he know I was coming here?
Paul, over to you.
She did not know I was coming. I actually I showed up here to get the address to your home so that I can come see you.
You haven't changed a bit. Saying things that I'm not. How did you know I am here?
I'm being honest with you. I'm being very honest with you. She did not know. I just came here on my own too. And I'm really happy to see you. You know.
And you couldn't call her over the phone to ask for the address?
Well, I was calling. I was really calling. She wasn't taking her call, so I took the initiative to come here, Chinenye.
You know what? I can see both of you have a lot of things to talk about. So, while I go for school runs, why don't you make yourselves comfortable and sort yourselves out? Okay? Babe, please. I know you're hurting, but just take it easy on him.
Nenya, where do I begin? I don't have a script made out for this moment because I wasn't expecting to see you here, but having you here, I must say, is a blessing. As much as I'm embarrassed to be standing in your presence, giving how I had treated you in the past. But let me take this time, baby, to say that I'm sorry. Please. Please. Please.
Good thing you don't have a script for this moment. But I need to know one thing. What exactly are you sorry for?
I'm sorry about the way I treated you. I'm ashamed of myself. I'm embarrassed. But above all, I have grown. Now I know better. But then you're the only one my heart still beats for. Please. Please.
Paul, take a good look at me. Does it look to you like I am hurt? Does it look like there is a wound in my heart? No. Automatically, there is nothing, absolutely nothing to heal. Which means there is no reason for you to be in my life. Get out.
No. Please. I know that we're destined to be together. Life presented me with a gift, which is you. And I messed it up. And I'm asking that you give me another chance to heal this hurt in your heart. I can fix it. I know me, I know my strength. All I'm asking is that you have a forgiving heart and give this man another chance to do right by you, baby. Chinenye, I cannot live without you. I have tried. You think I haven't tried? I have tried. But I have gotten to a point in life where I now live my truth, and you, my darling, are my truth. Because of that I can fix. Please. 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 Give me a chance to fix this hurt in your heart. Give me a chance to dedicate the rest of my life making it right by you, baby. You are the woman for me, and I am the man for you. Baby, please.
I loved you with everything in me.
And I still love you. I do.
But I was going to give my life for you.
I know.
was how much you meant to me. What did I do wrong?
Nothing.
I chose to love you. Was it wrong?
I'm sorry. Please. Naija, please.
Don't.
I beg you. We can make this right. Please. 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 Give me a chance to show you how much I have grown. Give me a chance to show you how much I can love you still. I know that you're broken, but I can heal this hurt. Please. Please, baby. I promise never to take you for granted anymore. I promise never to hurt you again. Please. I love you.
All I'm begging you is to let me to try again. Please, if you let me, then I will write up my own. Baby, I'm a changed man now. All I need is a second chance. A second chance. To make everything right again.
Oh, darling, thank you. Your friend, what's up with her?
She is so into it. In fact, she's eager to do it.
Wow. Well, that's good. That's good.
I even told her that you take care of every other thing.
Of course, yes, I will. When will she be free so we could go see Paul together?
Hope? She's on standby. Anytime you need her, just let me know.
That's a nice one. Okay, in that case, I think we can go there today. What do you think?
But baby, I was thinking you should let Paul know first before taking her to him.
No. You see, I want this to be as a surprise package for him.
Are you sure he will fancy it?
Come on. He will love it. He will love it.
If you say so,
Of course, yeah.
let me call her and tell her to stand by and that you'd pick her up on your way. What do you think?
Okay.
That's okay now.
Yeah, very much okay. Alright, call her.
Let me call her.
Well, okay, why don't we just head in while I start getting prepared as you make your call? Inside.
Hello? Thank you.
Chineye, the truth is that since you left me, my life has been incomplete. Since you left, I have not known peace. Since you left, that is why I want you back. Please, baby. Please.
Paul, you can never cease to be selfish. So this is about you. It's about your peace of mind.
How? How?
It's about you wanting a home. Is this it?
Listen, you have this all twisted. That's not how I meant it.
No, please tell me, how do you mean it? I want to know. Of course. He has nothing to say. Do you know what exactly your problem is? You have lost it, Paul. I'm going to make this clear and I'm not going to say it again. I am never, ever, never in my life will I have anything to do with you. Never again will I trust you with my heart. Stay away from me.
Allow me to amend all my mistakes. I know I treated you bad. I know I made you cry. I know I said a lot of things I shouldn't have said. Now I am down on my knees, begging you to give me a second chance. All from you is a second chance. All I'm begging you is to let me to try again. All from you, please, if you let me, then I will right on my own.
For the first time in her life, she walked out on me. This one has gone beyond what I can handle. Someone she respects need to have a word with her. Damn it, Paul. What were you thinking? Hey, Kingsley, what's up?
Hello. What's up? Yeah, I'm fine.
Not so good, but I'm alive, I'm here.
What is the problem?
That's something I'd like to discuss about the phone.
Oh, okay. So, where are you now?
I'm home, just came in.
Alright then, I'm coming.
Alright, bro, thanks.
He's at home.
All right.
Look, once you get there, just try as much as possible to be yourself. Just be yourself, okay?
Sure. So, being natural is the code, right?
Exactly. Get in.
I carry.
All I'm begging you is to let me to try again. Please, if you let me, then I will write on my own. Baby, I'm a changed man now. All I need is a second chance. A second chance. A second chance to make everything right again. In the past and I know it. Forgive me for I'm back on my knees and I'm begging. Please don't turn your face away from me. Please allow me to amend all my mistakes. I know I treat you bad. I know I made you cry. I know I said a lot of things I shouldn't have said. Now
Please, no rough play, no shouting, no quarreling.
Okay.
Just behave yourselves, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Uncle Paul is in the house,
Yeah.
so I want you to behave yourselves.
Okay.
All right.
All I'm begging you is to let me to try again. Please, if you let me, then I will write on my own. Baby, I'm a changed man now. All I need is a second chance. A second chance. A second chance to make everything right again.
I thought you said Uncle Po is here. Where is he?
Maybe he could be in our room.
Maybe, let's go look for him.
No, I don't think he's there.
Then where is he?
I think he's gone.
Why, Mom?
You know what? Just go inside, change your clothes, okay? Your food is on the dining. I'll be right back.
Let's go. Are you sure Mommy didn't lie to us? No, it's not possible. Let's go. Okay, if you say.
I know I treat you bad, I know I made you cry, I know I said a lot of things I shouldn't have said. Now I am down on my knees, begging you to give me a second chance. From you, it's a second chance.
Nenye, what really is the problem? You've been quiet for a while.
For over 30 minutes you came into this house. You refused to talk to any one of us. What is the problem?
Did something bad happen?
No. Then, why are you this quiet? I met Paul at Clarion's house again.
You did? Well then, that should be a good thing, right?
At this point, I think this is the act of God. Both of you are meant for each other.
Oh, please, come on. Do you mean both of us are meant to be together? There is no God in this. Clarion actually arranged this. And for all I care, no matter how hard she tries to bring us back together, it will never happen. I would never ever go back to that beast. What?
It's about time you let go of whatever Paul did to you in the past.
You're right. I wish I could, but I can't.
But Nenye, dwelling on the past will do nothing but bring you sorrow and more pain. Can't you see?
Well, darling, for all I care, I have been a fulfilled and happy woman without him.
Nenye, Paul is your man. The earlier you stop fighting it, the better for you.
Please, can we just stop with this already? I am sick and tired of hearing this from you two. I'm going to have nothing to do with that young man. And that is final.
I treat you bad, I know I made you cry, I know I said a lot of things I shouldn't have said.
Okay. Paul, no.
How far? I was just.
Well, I'm good.
I was going to just steal a quick nap. What's up?
Well, all is well. Just that I noticed your dull countenance. Is something the matter?
Oh well, it's a long story, Kay, but I'll get through it.
Okay, I have all the time, so let's get on with your story.
Oh well, nothing much. It's just that.
Oh, sorry. Before the story, there is someone I would like to introduce to you.
Kingsley, who again now? Who?
Her name is Hope. Yeah. And guess what? She's a graduate of economics from the London School of Economics. She also holds a master's degree in human resource management. You need to hear her speak. Fluent. She's well coordinated, and above all, she's a beauty to behold. I can see from your expressions, I know that you're already getting to like her.
I am laughing actually because I don't understand why you have chosen a time like this to do this, Kingsley.
What are you talking about?
What I'm saying is simple. I'm not interested.
Paul, I have known you for quite some time. And I can tell you that there is something speaking through you. This is not you.
Seriously, nothing is speaking through me. I'm just telling you. Look, I'm not even interested. I'm not searching. I'm not looking for another woman. I don't care. I don't want. I'm just not interested. Don't you understand? I'm interested.
You are only saying all these things because you have not seen the girl in question. That's it. Guess what?
No.
She's around. Yeah, I came with her.
You came with her to my house without telling me.
She's outside.
Kirsty, what is wrong with you? Kirsty, what is wrong with you? Respect our friendship now. Respect our friendship. How can you bring someone to my house without telling me?
Listen, it is still because of the friendship that I respect. That's why I brought her.
No!
Don't you want to settle down?
Of course I want to settle down.
Don't you want to have your children?
I want to have my children, but not this way. Hey, bring somebody to my house without telling me. What's wrong with you? Okay, come on. Respect our friendship. Guy, come on now. Where you going?
I just told you that there is somebody outside waiting for you. I need to bring her in.
Without my consent. Kiss!
How did it go?
It is quite obvious that he is not in a good mood now.
That means we'll have to go and come back some other time.
No. There's no need for us going back and forth. Listen, we're going to go in there and confront whatever it is we can confront. Who knows? You might just be the one to put a smile on his face this afternoon. Okay?
You have a point there. You have a point there.
Go
Okay,
in there
let's
and
do
give
this.
him hope. After you. All right. Come on in.
Hello.
Yeah. Please, just this way. Good. Well, Paul, this is Hope. And Hope, meet my very good friend, Paul.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Say hi. She said hello, hi.
Did my friend not tell you what I told him?
No, he didn't tell me anything.
Oh well, I'm going to tell you now that you're here. I am not interested.
What?
Why are you doing this?
Kingsley, I don't want to embarrass this girl. Take her out of my house now.
Well, I understand that you've been angry before I came in. But it's not right for you to transfer the aggression on us.
That is exactly what I am going to do, Kingsley. If you don't take this girl out of my house, take her out of my house.
Mr. Kingsley, can you take me out of here, please?
Did you hear her? The girl wants to go. Take her.
Take me out of here.
Take her out.
What are you doing here? You are the last person I wish to set my eyes on, not after the stunt you pull at your place.
God is my witness. I never asked Paul to come to my place.
We'll be outside.
We'll wait outside.
Listen, there's something I really want to understand. What is it that Paul did to you that has turned you into a bitter person?
I don't want to talk about it.
Why?